Central Oregon's local alert weather with Chief Meteorologist John Carroll.
It was a hot one today. Temperatures got into the 90-degree range in a number of locations. Tomorrow, I expect to see temperatures in the triple digits in a lot of locations, and a lot of them over the weekend. The heat wave is on, folks. Here's what we got on this 4th of July. People want to beat the heat. They go to the Prineville Reservoir. Let's put this in motion, and there's a lot of action going out there on the reservoir. You can see folks in their boats moving about, and there's these people just getting out, ready to enjoy the day. This was at about noon, and boy, I'll tell you what, that is going to be the place to be. Moving forward. Look at all those cars that popped up there for today. That's the most I've seen there since I've been here, as a matter of fact. Here's what we got for the Albury Butte Cam, looking at Pilot Butte, getting ready for the fireworks display tonight. 9 p.m. it'll be 80 degrees and on its way down to the upper 70s when those fireworks go off at 10 o'clock. All right, the moisture pattern, a lot of orange on this map, even some red, very dry air. That is going to be telling because as the air is dry, the heat also does kind of tend to build rather quickly. But the good news is it does cool down quickly at night with the dry air and light winds. So we are above that orange. You can see down there in Northern California and Northern Nevada. But if we're looking for moisture, we have to look for the green. And we don't see any of that in the upper levels of the atmosphere. So let's get to the numbers right now. 94 degrees in Redmond with sunny skies, 93 in Bend. Look at that relative humidity, 7%. The lower the number, the drier the air. It's about as dry as you can get, folks, 7%. Well, obviously we get to 0, but that's pretty dry for us. 57 will be the overnight low. So that is the saving scenario, as we'll be on the cool side in the nighttime hours. High temperatures today in the region so far, because we're still getting warmer, 94, 93 in Bend, 90 in Prineville, 95 in Warm Springs. As we look at the current temperatures, we have 80s and 90s across the region with 85 in Sisters, 88 in Sun River. We got a 90 for you there in Madras and in Prineville. People beating the heat out at the reservoir. You just saw that. This is the good news part. 40s and 50s tonight with a 62 in Warm Springs. So, again, open those windows at night. Get that cool air in because we're seeing this tomorrow. It's a 101 in Redmond, 102 in Madras, 98 in Bend. The heat wave is here, folks, and here's what's going on. Record heat ahead, extended period of time with the triple digits, giving us that dangerous heat wave for about a week now. That's going to be what's going to happen. We have a heat advisory from noon Friday all the way through until Thursday, a week from today. So temperatures will be 95 to 103. That's dangerously hot, folks. So be prepared. There is a fire weather watch for this region in our Saturday time frame, as it'll be hot and a little bit gusty, so that's a bit of a problem. So we have to be concerned about the fire weather concerns throughout the area as well. So here's why we're hot. Big, giant area of high pressure will be maintaining a presence over top of Northern California on Saturday. Sunday, it kind of stays in the area, and we still get a lot of heat as we get into our Monday time frame. So here's what we have. 101 Saturday. Sunday, 102 on Monday, 103 Tuesday. Heat wave is here, folks, so prepare properly for triple digits for a significant number of days. That's Look at Your Local Alert Weather.